Hey everybody, welcome to Wealth Automation Channel. Today, we're going to talk about what is the key to wealth building and 5 keys to wealth creation. Make sure to watch till the end, because it's one of the most amazing to get the conclusion. What is the key to wealth building? In this video, what is the key to wealth building? I will teach you to build your fortune from scratch with a solid foundation and a lot of common sense. To generate wealth and achieve financial freedom, it is not enough to have a business idea or create a company. Wealth creation has always been, and continues to be, a process based on sound principles and practices. If these practices and principles are applied with patience and discipline, anyone can benefit and achieve financial success. Therefore, below I share what is the key to wealth building and 5 keys to wealth creation. 5 keys to wealth creation. Key 1, necessity. Have you ever wondered why 90% of companies fail in the first 5 years? The answer is simple: they are not necessary and they do not solve problems. If you really want to attract wealth and achieve financial freedom, you need a business idea that fills a need. Therefore, before starting your company, you should ask yourself if this product is necessary for your clients. Imagine that you want to catch a cat, a very agile and fast animal. If you chase the animal, it will escape hopelessly, but if you lure it with something it wants and needs, such as food, the cat will come to you. The same thing happens with money. Don't chase money, you must attract money. How? Offering solutions to the problems of others. Advice: adapt your business idea to the world. Do not try to make the world adapt to your ideas. Key 2, control. If you want to achieve financial freedom, you must build the foundation of your fortune on solid rock, not on unstable mud. When you are not in control of your business, the business will control you. Besides, the false security that you live in day to day can be dangerous. Unchecked business features. You cannot modify your corporate image. You do not control the prices of products. You depend on a single supplier or client. You are geographically limited and cannot expand. Examples of businesses without control. Depend on an affiliate network. Relying on a job, even if it pays well. Some franchise agreements. Certain licenses or agreements. When in your business you have absolute freedom to raise or lower the prices of your products, open or close at any time, modifying your company logo, and even advertising on your own, means that you have full control of your business. How do you know that you are breaking the commandment of control? In the first place, when your business depends on a single client, or a single supplier. That is, your business works and generates income thanks to that client or that supplier. Your business literally hangs by a thread. Similarly, when you do not have control over the brand image of your business, it is impossible to make modifications that help you counteract a bad perception of customers. Obviously, without the control order, you cannot adapt your products to the demands of the client, nor establish the prices that you consider appropriate. Nor can you expand to other geographical areas to attract new customers. In short, if you do not comply with the commandment of control, your business is limited, and you run the risk of failing in your financial objectives. Undoubtedly one of the key points of the 5 keys to wealth creation. Advice: do not depend on the performance of third parties to achieve financial freedom. Fight for your own business, fight for control of your life. Key 3, escalation. If you want to have abundance in your life, you must choose business ideas that can be scalable in all its forms. Scalable in sales. Scalable in profit margin. Businesses that are viable but not scalable will hardly allow you to generate wealth and achieve financial freedom. In other words, starting a company that has no growth potential means limiting your income level. You can live comfortably from your business, but you will not be rich. If in your business earning more money means working more hours where you don't have the possibility of adjusting profit margins, you don't have a company, you have a job. You will never be able to scale your business and therefore you will never be able to achieve financial freedom. For most self-employed or self-employed, remember Robert Kiyosaki's cash flow quadrant. Earning more money translates into serving more customers, working more hours, and therefore sacrificing quality of life and quality of the final product. Going this way is not advisable if you want to be a millionaire, since your income is viable but limited in time. If you want to be a millionaire, you must choose businesses which you can make them grow. Once the common goals of growth and profitability have been established, it is essential that your business be scalable. Scalability ensures that your business can sustain growth once success is achieved. Example of scalability in a restaurant. Hire more staff, allows you to serve more customers. Improve the menu, allows you to reach a wider audience. Home delivery, opens the possibility of generating more sales. Open more restaurants, more customers, more sales and more income. In addition, the scalability of a business is important since it allows it to adapt to changes in the needs of consumers and the market in general. This is because consumer buying preferences change over time. If your business cannot adapt and take advantage of these trends, you will not be able to achieve financial success. Tip: choose scalable businesses, don't just stay with viable businesses. Growing is vital when it comes to achieving financial freedom. Key 4. Time. One misconception of success is thinking that you have to work long hours a week to build wealth and financial freedom. People who think this way end up becoming prisoners of their own business, since they have to do all the work themselves. Characteristics of a successful business. Possibility of being automated. Your presence is not necessary. It is possible to hire staff. The best strategy is to create a business that complies with the commandment of time. In other words, start up an automated business, which allows the hiring of personnel, and which does not require your presence to function correctly. Examples of automated businesses. Vending machines. Self-managed business by a manager. Online stores. The advantage of this type of business is that they allow you to manage time better. In addition, you do not need to invest a large number of hours a week, since your business operates in an automated way. An example of this type of business is vending machines, a semi-automated business that requires very little intervention to function properly. In fact, these machines work 24 hours a day with very little maintenance. Value your time, do not turn your business into a jail. Key 5. Barriers of entry. If you want to achieve financial freedom, you must discard all those businesses that have very low or non-existent barriers to entry. By not taking into account the commandment of the entrance, your chances of being rich and achieving financial freedom decrease significantly, since this type of business becomes saturated very quickly. Therefore, when choosing a business idea, it is best to opt for that business that has the highest possible barriers to entry. Example of a business with low barriers to entry, low-cost franchise of $200. Business example with high entry barriers, your own restaurant. The low-cost franchise of $200 will be saturated faster than the hospitality business. A restaurant requires planning, generating a business model, reforming the premises, hiring staff, etc. In the case of the low-cost franchise, you only have to pay the initial capital and that's it. After a year of working for the low-cost franchise, the competition will be brutal, to the point of having to look for another activity. All easily accessible businesses end up saturating quickly. Avoid the everyone effect. In addition, it is important to take into account what is known as the everyone effect. This means that everyone around you becomes an expert in something, which can be anything from various financial assets to cryptocurrencies. Unfortunately, what ends up happening is that the asset on everyone's lips becomes a financial bubble with serious consequences. Examples of this are the real estate bubble of 2008, the bubble of .com companies. Consequently, you should never base the success of your business on that everyone effect, since most of the time it is just a financial bubble. Avoid the everyone effect by remembering the Rockefeller anecdote: when your shoeshine boy talks to you about the stock market, sell everything. Conclusion. Now you know, if you want business success and financial freedom, you need a business idea that meets these the 5 keys to wealth creation. Therefore, your business must provide a product that fills a need. In addition, you must have full control of every aspect of your business, which in turn must be scalable, automated, and with high barriers to entry. Now it's your turn. Which of the 5 keys to wealth creation did you like the most? Leave your answer in the comments below. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of like this and much more. I'll see you in the next video.